And his friend says, "O, Ginoo ko doy. Na-mental ka. Nabuang ka." Kung ang hulam, di man na din mo bayad. Ngayon, bisan kapila na sa may bayad. Di mo na ito bayad. Anong ito bayad? Kinsa na asma madat pa? Ha? Si Mama? Good morning, guys. Good morning. I was talking to my family long time. I think it's over an hour, and my husband called me, I guess. And I see a missed call here. Let's see. Good morning. I'm having my breakfast anyway. I'm having fun talking to my father. It's not all the time I'm talking to my father. It's been a long time. He's busy doing something, and every time I call, he's not home. And let me call my baby. Okay, I'm gonna call him. Because he's calling me while I'm talking to my family. Anyway, guys, good morning. I'm just listening music here now, guys. Stop that for a while. So now I am looking for e-brushes again. Because the brushes that, I don't know if this is good, guys, but let's try. Look, my hand, I never itched that, but that's the result. How much more if you're itching? So, let's see. It's soft. I'll try this. I'm going to do it upstairs. I'm going upstairs. I need mixing. This one here. I need this for the paint, to mix the paint, I'm gonna turn the music on because I'm going upstairs anyway. It's very nice outside, guys, but I don't want to stay outside yet. I have things need to be done in this house because after painting and everything, I'm going to clean the window. We have too many windows and stuff. So this is where I'm going to paint all the moldings. This is the boxes over here. Moldings. Put you guys over there. There. That's garbage. This I'm going to hang that. So I'll use this. I will use this. Oopsie, oopsie. Careful, careful, careful. Oopsie. Excuse. Yeah. So, that medicine is from the Philippines. Amoxicillin. That's my husband's stuff. Anyway, guys. I need to keep doing my job because I don't want to come back here and keep thinking I still have to do painting. But I want to come back here that I am not thinking about painting because I'm done. I want to think about different things like cleaning the windows, put the back porch paint, because we're planning to do in the back porch too. not a paint, it's protect the wood with a color in it, like brown, dark brown, like that. So let me put this bag. I'll put this bag. This is my filming room. This is all my clothes in here. My stuff. There, smells good in here because of the low. I wash all the, not all the clothes, but some of them it smells like goody goody. Brabagul! Brabagul! Anyway, I'll see you later, guys, okay? Hi guys, I am frying some the fish from Sarangani, milk fish, bangos, okay, bangorch. So I'm watching the unit from last night, and yeah, I'm frying it right here, right there. I have to cover it because I hate splashes, guys, and I hate to clean up a lot of oil everywhere. And I'm making some rice because you know what? I'm having bangos and this is not enough for me. I have some story. My father is very funny. Actually, my father is a comedian. Like, it's not a comedian. Like, it's like he like comedy. And he like to talk comedy all the time. My father, every time he talk, he's kind of funny. So, he went to Davao. We live in Bislig, Bangagoy. We... at the time I was young. I was a young, I was young. And the funny thing is, he went to Davao to do painter. He's working with his brother. His brother is construction, like a painting. He has a painting company, and he been there for like a month. And then when he came back to Mangagoy, to Bislig, his friend asked, "Oh, Doy," my father's name is Dodoy, his nickname. "Oh, Doy, where you been? Like, you've been missing for a long time, for like a month. You are not here." "Oh, I went to Davao." This is what my father says. "Oh, niadto kog Davao. Niadto kog Davao na mental ko." If you got it, guys. My father said, "Oh, niadto kog Davao na mental ko." His friend says, "O, Ginoo ko, Doy. Na mental ka. Nabuang ka." Nabuang ka. He said, it means like, "Oh, I went to Davao doing painting, like mental institution for like, like Nazi people." And because na mental ka, because na mental, the painting in Bisaya is na mental. And mental in English, if you guys understand, mental institution, and we know the mental, if you're like like crazy or out of your head, over your mind, you went to mental institution, whatever is that, guys. But that's very funny because his friend said, "Oh my God, Dudoy, you've been in mental institution. Are you going crazy? Like, you're nabuang ka. Like, are you going crazy? You're out of your mind," or like something like that. It's very funny because my father is very funny. That they have that blood. My father's family side is kind of more, they like to make fun of the situation. Anyway, guys, that's really it. It's just very simple, fun, at nga na mental ka doy, nabuang na ka doy, androy, gino ko doy. That's really it, guys. I went to talk to my father this morning. He kind of funny. Remember, guys, when I talked to my mom that about my father is cheating on her. You know, it's just all a joke. And then this time I talked to my father. I said, Pa, you were like cheating, you know, to my mom, to your wife. And my father, oh my God, Ging, why you see that, Ging? Like, oh my God, Ging, why you seeing that? Like, you know, your mother, we argued the last week because she said, I wish I married the other guy. My father is so funny. Because, you know, like, I wish I married, like, you know, my mother is kind of mad and didn't realize that. I don't know why I say that. This is what my father says to me. My father told me, your mother, Gang, told me that I don't know why I marry you. I wish I married the other guy. You know, and my father proposed my mom for like a joke. You know, but he liked my mom, but they're not boyfriend and girlfriend. But my father asked my mom, will you marry me, Nalin? And my mom, okay, it's up to you. and after that, the whole family of my father went to my mother's parents and bring a lot of chicken and food and rice and everything, because it's already like namalay. I don't know how you call that in English. Namalay na, guys. My father, they're all shocked. Nalin, Dodo is your boyfriend? They said, no, he's not my boyfriend, but he asked me in the farm. If, hold on, I'll be right back. Dodo asked me in the farm if I thought he's joking, so I answered him, yes, yeah, it's up to you, okay, like that, you know, that because I thought he's joking, and then they end up marrying each other, guys. That's a funny thing story about my parents. They're like crazy. They're crazy, and my father, and then, you know, they're both farmer, and their parents are a farmer. They have a property land, and they're like the land of my parents and my mother's side and my father's side. My father's side is, you know, it's a neighbor land. It's a neighbor property. And early in the morning, go to the farm. And then 5 o'clock in the afternoon, go back to the houses. And they're all in there in the farm. And then, like, my father, like, Len, will you marry me? Pakasalta. Pakasalan mo. Pakasli ko, Len. Magpakasalta. Will you marry me? And then my mom said in the other property, okay, doy. And then this is me, the result of their craziness. 7 of us being thankful that they end up marrying, or else I'm not here, and I'm probably in different eggnog. Oh, I remember the big fight that they have. I was very young when they have like 1, 2, like 3 of us. That's the big fight. And my mom is pregnant. No, we're 3, and then no, we're 2, and then my mother was pregnant of the number 3, and that's a big fight. And now they're fighting like a drama fight. Now they're not fighting real. They're just like drama fight. And then my father, after my mother told my father that, you know, I wish I don't marry you. I marry the other guy. And then my father told me, Ging, after your mother told me, Ging, after your mother told me, Ging, like, I kinda nang luod ko, I kinda upset. Yeah, I don't know if that's the right English of nang luod. You know, nang luod ko. All laughing because my father is so drama, guys. Oh my God. I told my father, oh, don't play with my mama, huh? Because, oh my God, if you're playing with mama, you're gonna be like separated. You guys are old, and then that's how you separated now. Like, it's ridiculous. So I don't know, guys, it's just funny. I don't talk to my father often because he is like, every time I call, he's not in the house. So every time I call, I talk to my sister mostly, and my mom. Mostly my sister, because my mom is always not home too. She's always in the school with my brother, watching him, you know. I mean, he's big enough, but because, you know, it's a youngest, so it's different. It's so different from when we're growing, you know. It's very affectionate also. My little brother is very affectionate. Like, he hugged my mom, and he hugged, he kissed. He is very loving. And we are not like that when we grow up. We are not like that. I think the new generation now is more like, oh my god, that's fresh hair. So the new generation is kind of they're very kind of sweet now, because when we're growing up, we are not like that. We're not very like, oh, I love to kiss to my parents. That's how we grew up. But my younger brother now, he is kind of like that, very loving, and so my mom loved him so much, and she always with him. Hi, I just get out from the tub, guys. I went soaking on the tub because, yeah, now get rid of the ivy oil grease. And then you know what I put in the tub with me to scrub my body, to get rid of whatever oil left on my body? It's the Dawn. Yeah. So I just get out. I don't wash my hair because, you know, I don't really wash my hair. So I just, like, you know, soak my whole body, and I've been scrubbing my whole body with a towel. My face is oily because I put a moisturizer.
Iranians, they declare clean. When the ambassador and the Russian take that drive and discuss the illegal sale of heavy water, their reactors to threat.
I'm here in the
What you doing? Praying for Daddy?
in the room. Put back the where I lie down because I wash it, because, you know, I've been rolling all over the place with that, and I have poison ivy. I don't want to keep using it while there's maybe oil in there. So yeah, so I washed that and turn the light in here. I will take this tape tomorrow. I'm done painting here, and turn the light off now, and I'm ready to just lie down and edit the video also, because I have videos, you know. Good night, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to lie down and relax and enjoy the night while watching my show and edit my video. Night night.